Are you an eBay seller trying to navigate the complex world of online business accounting? Well, you're not alone. With eBay's booming success, more people are diving into the world of online sales. But managing your eBay accounts can be a daunting task with all those fees and taxes. Fear not though. In this video, we'll explore the best accounting software for eBay sellers and explain how it can make your life easier. Here's my 3 top takeaways from this video. Number 1, QuickBooks and Xero. These are 2 of the best accounting software options on the market, offering real-time updates and HMRC compliance. Number 2, spreadsheets are outdated. Say goodbye to spreadsheets and the headache of manual bookkeeping. With low cost or free accounting options, you can streamline your finances effortlessly. Number 3, Link My Books for painless bookkeeping. This tool integrates with your accounting software, making monthly sales reconciliation quick and precise. So why do you need accounting automation tools? Well, in 2023, there's no reason for eBay sellers to subject themselves to manual accounting tasks. Automation software takes care of tax calculations, invoicing, inventory tracking, and saves you time and effort. It also makes generating reports and sales forecasts a breeze, giving you unique insights into your business. Now let's get to the good stuff, the best accounting software for eBay sellers. Number 1. Xero connects with your eBay account via Link My Books and offers a user-friendly interface with extensive accounting functions. Number 2. QuickBooks Online is a cloud-based solution which again connects to eBay via Link My Books, offering real-time updates, cash flow monitoring, and inventory management. Perfect for small businesses. Number 3. Zoho is a great option for budget-conscious sellers, but has its limitations compared to premium options. Number 4. Wave is another free accounting tool with invoicing and accounting features, but it lacks an eBay integration. So how do you choose the best accounting software for your eBay business? Consider factors like cost, ease of use, essential features, customer support, and the availability of a free trial. Matching the right software to your needs is crucial. A quick note on spreadsheets here. While spreadsheets are a free option for tracking your eBay business, they definitely have their drawbacks. They're time-consuming, error-prone, and lack collaboration features. In contrast, accounting software streamlines your accounting processes and offers real-time collaboration. To make your accounting even simpler, there's Link My Books. Designed for e-commerce businesses, Link My Books integrates seamlessly with your accounting software and your sales channels like eBay, automating the full bookkeeping process and saving you time and money. It's easy to use and comes with fantastic customer support, making it a valuable addition to your accounting toolkit. In conclusion, the world of eBay selling doesn't have to be a daunting financial labyrinth. With the right accounting software and tools, you can streamline your financial management and gain unique insights into your business, ultimately saving you time and money. So go ahead, choose the best accounting software for your eBay business and simplify your financial life. We hope you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to give it a like and share it with your friends, and subscribe for more valuable e-commerce growth content. As always, happy selling.